I'm here with Lisa. She just got done using this Dane von Furstenberg Vitamin Juice Hydrate Facial Sheet Mask. It was on clearance from $3.89 or something like that to $1.99. And I'll see if I can find a link to this online. So, Lisa, what'd you think of it?
Yeah, the odor wasn't overpowering, so that's nice. Some of them can be just too much. It also wasn't too wet either, so it didn't like drip everywhere. So it was just a good level of everything.
And how's your skin feel after?
Yeah, nice and smooth.
Hydrated? Yeah.
So yeah.
So would you use this one again?
Yeah, hydrated.
Would you buy it again at that price? At the clearance price?
$2, sure. Yeah.
What about at the full price?
No.
No, at the full price.
$4,
Yes, at
no.
the clearance price. Okay.
$2, sure.
Out of 5 stars?
3?
3 stars. Okay. And would you recommend this to others who are looking for a hydrate sheet mask?
Yeah, or at least try it once, see if you like it. It works for you.
All right, great. If you used this product before, let us know what your experience was. And if you haven't, have you ever tried any other brands of hydrating sheet mask? Let us know, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.